Welcome back with another video, guys. Today I'm here with another bird. I hope you guys subscribe this channel, like this video. So I just got this female today because I show you last time I have a male in the last video. So I just got today a female. It's the same thing. uh, so this one is like 3 months old and that one is 2 months old. Yeah, so I just got him. So we're gonna take this bird to home and put it in the cage and let's see how they react. Because I just come from the store and I just sit down in the car. Then I wanna show you guys the bird because I put my hand on top. But this one is I don't wanna this swan fly in the car and hit on the wall on the sides. So that's why. So she like head massage. When I stop, she start jumping. So when I start massaging, so she's so see, look at the eyes, so cute. So we're gonna put this in the box and we're gonna take this bird to the home. Then I'll show you the next part soon when I reach home. So I see you in the home. So I tell you before, guys. So when I got this guy and I pick up this guy from a store, the bird store. So this one. See the other one you guys see the other video. So that one is the first one. This one is the second one. So she is the male with the blue tail and a gray in the back, and this guy have a blue tail and the green in the back. So this is my budgies, 4 budgies and 2 quaker parrots. So this is the cage for them. So every like 3 hours, 4 hours, we change the water. So I feed budgies this food. So this food is for budgies, and I have this food for the quaker parrots. This one's, and this one is for budgies. Then I put some toys inside for them to play. So I put this box. So this one, they go inside the box and stay the night. Sorry, I have a little bit like camera not getting a good quality. So look at this, how cute is that? They're sitting together, and this two just chilling, sitting together. One is the male, one is the female, and this two is almost like a 5-6 month older, and this one is like almost 7 to 8 months, still babies. So before get another video, subscribe this channel, like this video. So I wanna be get like soon another bird for here. So I have like a 2 female and 2 male in the budgies. Look at the color for the tails for this guys. So that one, the male have like a blue and green, and the female have like the blue and gray, and a little bit on the side have a blue color, blue and green in the back. Look at the tail in the back. So they go to the, so they're sitting on top that rack all the time. And these guys, look at this ones. How cute is that? So they fly around a lot in the house. So when we guys like go closer, so they don't scare. Even that one is get scared. This guy. So this is the new today I got. She's a female, and this one is a male. So the both are like a 6 month older, still babies. So I'm gonna try to feed them hand feed. So this guy is running around like on the floor. Look at the stairs for them. I put it on the cage, and I put the the mirror for the budgies, and I have this toy in there, and I put these things. Yesterday I bought this ones, so I put them to play. And I have a little the build ring on this side, and I put some the balls in there in the cage, so they play a lot sometimes. And I put this one for to eat. So these guys at the night time, they go inside. The male always go inside the box at the night time. Let's see what happened today, because I just got the female today. So let's see if the male let the female go inside the box, or they can stay inside together. Because this ones, they stay outside. So they don't fly when they feel to fly in this room. So they fly everywhere. Even they go out on the front door, and even in this kitchen they fly everywhere. So they after that they a few minutes later they come back with on the cage. So they know where is the cage. So every 4 hours I change the water for them. So that's for the good for them. So they don't the water doesn't change the taste. So we guys drink fresh water, so I put them every 3 hours fresh water. So I want to train them to eat some a fruit. So they're not eating the fruit right now. So I'll be show you guys maybe next few weeks when they get trained to eat the food. Then I will be upload another videos. Look at the female and male. They just got friendly. The female just come today in the house, so still they guys like friendly. Alright, subscribe this channel, like this video. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon and comment in the below. Thank you for watching. Thanks.